Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn 20 multiple choice questions from the 10th class physics atomic structure, which will be asked in Polyset 2021, TSRJC, APRJC and other competitive exams. This video will be interested and very important questions I likely to share with you. So let us start the session. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe friends for latest videos. Let us see the first question. The ratio of energy to frequency of electromagnetic radiation is called the ratio of energy to frequency of electromagnetic radiation is called Bohr's constant, Planck's constant, Avogadro's constant, none of the above. The correct option is Planck's constant. It is called as Planck's constant. The ratio of energy to frequency of electromagnetic radiation is called Planck's constant. Let us see the next question. The value of Planck's constant. The value of Planck's constant. Option A 6.626 into 10 to the power of 27 energies per second. Option B 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 27 energies per second. Option C 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 energies per second. Option D 6.626 into 10 to the power of 34 energies per second. The correct option is option C. The value of Planck's constant is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 energies per second. Let us move to the third question. The electronic configuration of an atom containing the quantum numbers n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S is equal to 1 by 2, half plus half. Its value is 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 1s2, 2s1. The correct option is 1s1. Option A is the right answer. Let us move to this next question. The 4 quantum numbers of an electron in an atom are as follows. The 4 quantum numbers: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. You should remember like this: PAMS, PAMS, easy method. PAMS, PAMS, principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. So the 4 quantum numbers of an electron in an atom are as follows. The correct option is 1s1. Option C is the right answer. Strontium chloride produces dash color flame. Option A red, B yellow, C blue, D green. When we burn the strontium chloride, it produces dash color flame. When we burn the strontium chloride, produces red color. If we burn this, it produces red color. Which is not an electromagnetic radiation of the following? Given below is not an electromagnetic radiation. Option A IR rays, option B X rays, option C Y rays, option D cathode rays. If we observe carefully, which is not an electromagnetic radiation? Option D cathode rays is not an electromagnetic radiation. In which of the following all types of electromagnetic radiation possesses same? In which of the following all types of electromagnetic radiations possesses same energy, velocity, frequency, wavelength? Velocity is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. The size of the orbit. The size of the orbit is represented by A. Principal quantum number, B. Magnetic quantum number, C. Azimuthal quantum number, D. Spin quantum number. Size of the orbit is described by or represented by principal quantum number. Size and shape is described by principal quantum number. So the correct option is option A. Which of the following quantum numbers give size and energy of stationary orbit? Which of the following quantum numbers gives size and energy of the stationary orbit? Size and energy of the stationary orbit. The correct option is A. N, B, L, C, M, D, S. The correct option is A. The N principal quantum number N gives the size and energy of the stationary orbit. Which orbit is nearer to the nucleus? Which orbit is nearer to the nucleus? Closest, very close to the nucleus. Option A, K, orbit K. Option B, L. Option C, M. Option D, N. If we observe the structure of atom, K, L, M, N. This is K. Here the nucleus is present. Here the electrons is revolving. This is K. This is N. This is M. This is L. Which one is very closer? Here nucleus. The very closest one is K. So the right answer is K. Option A is right answer. The number of electrons present in an orbit. Formula. Here we should remember this formula. It is very important. If we want to find the number of electrons in an orbit, we use this formula. So don't forget this formula. Option A, 1n square, 2n square, 3n square, 4n square. The number of electrons present in an orbit is, this is the formula, 2n square. This formula is used to find the number of electrons which were present in an orbit. Let us move to the 12th question. The number of subshells in N is equal to 3 orbital. The number of subshells in N is equal to 3 orbitals. The correct answer, option A, 3, option B, 2, option C, 4, option D, 1. The correct answer is option A, 3. If N is equal to 3, N equals to 3, L equals to 2, L is equal to 2, then the energy level represented as, if N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, then the energy level is represented as option A, 3s, option B, 3p, option C, 3d, option D, 3f. A, 3s, B, 3p, C, 3d, D, 3f. The correct answer is option C, 3d. The energy level represented as 3d. Option C is the right answer. 3d is the right answer. The angular momentum quantum number indicates energy of the orbit, size of the orbit, subshell, none of the above. The angular momentum quantum number indicates energy of the orbit, size of the orbit, subshell, or none of the above. These all are wrong. This does not match to the angular momentum. The correct answer is D, none of the above. Let us move to the next question. If n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, the energy level represented as 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p. If n is equal to 2, L is equal to 1, the energy level represented as 3s. Option C is the right answer. Which all of the following were theorized by Bohr in his description of the atom? Sorry, here some spelling mistake. Atom, except Bohr's model. We know that Bohr's atomic model. In his atomic model, he described the Bohr's hydrogen atomic model. He described about atom. There are 4 options. In these 4 options, one is not belongs to the Bohr's atomic model. So we have to find out the answer. Option A, the angular momentum of electrons in multiples of h by 2. The angular momentum of electrons in multiples of h by 2. It is right. He described in his right answer. Electrons revolve in discrete circular orbits. Yes, it also right. That is orbitals. We call that it as orbitals. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. Next, third one, the energy of each electron is directly proportional to n square. Yes, it also the formula 2n square. It is also right. Electrons radiate energy continuously in given orbit. In a given orbit, electrons radiate energy continuously in a given orbit. No, it is wrong. He not described this. Electrons radiate energy. They does not emit energy continuously. They emit energy when in higher excited state. When they are in excited state, they emit the energy. When they are in excited state, they emit the energy. So the D is the wrong answer. The correct is the D. Bohr not described in his atomic model. Next, the letters S, P, D, F represent which quantum number? Letters S, P, D, F describe or represent which quantum number? Option A, principal quantum number. Option B, azimuthal quantum number. Option C, magnetic quantum number. Option D, spin quantum number. The letters S, P, D, F represent the quantum number azimuthal quantum number. The correct option is B. Let us move to the next question. The magnetic quantum number has its values determined by the value of the magnetic quantum number has its values determined directly by the value of which quantum number? Magnetic quantum number values are determined directly by the value of one quantum number. What is that quantum number? Option A, principal quantum number. Option B, azimuthal quantum number. Option C, spin quantum number. Option D, both A and B. The correct option is principal quantum number not, spin quantum number not, both A and B is also wrong. This wrong, this wrong, this wrong. So the correct option is azimuthal quantum number. The answer is azimuthal quantum number. Option B is the right answer. The atomic number of an element having the maximum number of unpaired electrons in p subshell. The maximum number of unpaired electrons in p subshells. Atomic number of an element having maximum number of unpaired electrons in p subshell. P subshell. The correct option A is 7, option B 10, option C 12, option D 16. The correct option is 7. Option A is the right answer. Move to the next question. When an atom absorbs the energy, the lines in the spectrum will appear in which color? The lines of spectrum, when atom absorbs the energy, it moves to the higher energy level. The spectrum will appear which color? Option A, brighter. Option B, darker. Option C, colorless. Option D, hard to locate. The correct answer is darker. Option B is the right answer. Okay students, please like, share and subscribe this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Thanks for watching.